Hey guys, welcome to day 8 of my 10 days of fall. Today's cup is this gorgeous Fall Ombré, just this really gorgeous dusty rose color. This is from my desert collection, the glitter, if anyone's wondering, and it just kind of ombres into the black. And it has this cute little fall saying on it. I think it's so gorgeous and just very elegant. It's not too like a fall where you couldn't just use it throughout the year. I love that it's just a little understated. This one's a little more simple, but still gorgeous. I am giving this one away to one of you guys as well. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment on this video, and there's one more thing. What is it? Oh, join my Facebook group. It's just Glazed Epoxy. I will have everything linked and all the information down below. But yes, if you are interested in seeing the tutorial on this cup right here, let's get into the video. Also on this cup, I kind of wanted to matte just the bottom, just the black part. So I might do that and I'll insert a little video if I do that, how it's looking. I just think it would look really nice with the bottom matte and just kind of fade up into the shiny. I've done that with white on the bottom before. I've never done it with black, so I will give that a try. And like I said, I'll insert some footage so you guys can see how that turns out. All right, let's get into the tutorial now. Here I'm just starting off with a stainless cup. I already had it prepped. It was already rose gold. I'm just spray painting the bottom just black and fading it up into vintage blush. Such a pretty color from Rust-Oleum. So just starting with black at the bottom. Then vintage blush on the top. Then I kind of turn the cup away from me and spray really gently to kind of get that ombre effect. Then once that was dry, I'm just taking some mixed epoxy. This is the Artistry Tumbler and Art epoxy. And I'm just taking a little tiny bit of that on my glove and just spreading it throughout the whole cup. Just really want to get a really thin, even layer of epoxy on the whole cup. So then taking Desert Rose from my desert collection, it's just a really pretty kind of dusty mauve-y color and I'm obsessed with it. It's a custom mix. So I'm just sprinkling that on the whole top pink part of the cup. And I'm just kind of doing just a flat full coverage for right now, and then we'll get to the ombre in a minute. So once we have a nice full coverage on the top pink, then we're gonna go in and tilt the cup and just really lightly sprinkle so that it kind of falls down and gives you the ombre effect. Ombres you want to take your time with and just do bit by bit. You can add more as you go, but you can't take it off. So just be very careful and just go slow. So I was happy with how that looked, so I just let that dry. Then you're going to want to do another layer of epoxy, and I did not seal this. You can seal this with like a clear spray paint if you want. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. If I don't though, I like to put epoxy on the part that's not glittered first. So I'm doing the whole black part first, then I work up to the glitter, because if you have glitter that's not sealed, it's going to move around. So you're most likely just going to get it all over the black part if you were to just keep wiping your hand back and forth. So just work in sections if you don't seal your glitter. And on a cup like this, you don't really need to. On a cup where there's going to be like harsh lines between glitter and no glitter, you should definitely seal it. But this one, since it's an ombre, it's not as important. I made this little cute fall decal. It just says fall and pumpkins and fall things. I don't remember what I put on there. Leaves, hot cocoa, that kind of thing. I just cut it out in this rose gold vinyl, which I thought would be really pretty with the pink. Then just using some masking tape to put that on my cup. Then another layer of epoxy. And I believe I did one more layer in between this and then it was done. I just love how pretty it is. It's not too much like fall, you know what I'm saying? All right, so to matte the bottom, I'm using Mattify. This is our new product launching soon. So you're just going to take some of that and a white non-abrasive pad and just rub in circular motions for several minutes. This usually takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes for me, and I'll just go back over and do it again if I need to matte more. But that's what it turned out like. And I honestly love it with the matte bottom like that. It just adds like a little extra something, and I don't know, I just love that technique. Don't forget to go enter the giveaway to win this cup. Everything is down below, and stay tuned for my next fall video tomorrow. Bye.